Sir.
Leader of the House, Jagat Prakash Nadaji's birthday. On behalf of all of us, we are wishing him a very long and healthy life. Many happy returns of the day, Nadaji. Sri Jagat Prakash Nadaji to move a motion for election of one woman member to the Central Supervisory Board.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to move that in pursuance of the Section 7(2)(f), read with Section 8(1)(a) of Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques, Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 1994, this House do proceed to elect, in a manner that directed by the Chairman, one woman member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Central Supervisory Board constituted under the said Act.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statement by Minister श्रीमती निम्बूबेन जयंतीबाई बम्बानिया।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध विवरण जो खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण विभाग, उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय से संबंधित भारत में चीनी उद्योग एक समीक्षा के बारे में संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 32वें प्रतिवेदन में की गई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के बारे में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, 21 notices have been received today on 5 different subjects under Rule 267. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules and the directions imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022, I am not admitting any of these notices. Now matters rise with permission. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
No, you better go to the seat. No, this is not correct. This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to hear anything to you. None will be.
तमाम
No, not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into the
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता,
Nothing will go unregarded except the speaking up of Manoj Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे, तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में
nothing will go on regarding
विद्यालयों में
No, you shall.
अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं, वैसे माहौल में
You are not in a position to take your people to the
annihilation of
Why you are shouting?
इन दोनों का समराइज्ड
What right you are having? Every time you are shouting like this. No.
ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से
I am not going to allow this indiscipline.
मैं आपके
I am not
माध्यम
at all
से
going to allow this discipline.
आपसे अपेक्षित है
You are always
मेरी
denying the
बातें
rights of the
शोरगुल में खत्म
individual
हो गई।
members. That
मुझे
cannot
फिर
be
मौका
encouraged.
दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो एसआईआर के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. You sit in, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, house is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not. He is speaking now.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
Sir, I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
He is speaking now. Why you are interfering?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Fauziya Khan,
for
Fauziya
discussion
Khan,
on
you address to
SIR,
me.
On electoral
You
reform,
address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
No,
We
now,
need that urgently.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not
Everybody,
going to
sir,
listen
is
to you.
demanding that
I
for the
am
last
not going
2
to listen
days.
you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic, sir.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject.